So many people don't really realize that the most generous refund policy on the planet is inside of Teleport. Now let me explain this a little bit. At Teleport, what we do is we print and ship items for folks. People will plug in their Amazon, eBay, Etsy store, whatever it happens to be, and then they match up files to their products inside of those stores. And when they get an order, we will print the item and ship it directly to their customer for them. So it's 3D printing dropshipping. Here's the issue. People are allowing some other factory to make parts for them, which means that that factory, in this case us, has to be held accountable for making sure that parts arrive okay, in good condition, and ready to go. And sometimes that doesn't always happen. So how do you then deal with it? Well, most places just have a refund policy where you request a refund and then somebody says, send us a photo to prove that it broke. And then they go back and forth and then some secretary says, no, I don't think that should be refunded. And then everybody's mad at the end of it all. We decided, screw it. We'll let you refund it anytime, anywhere. Teleport has an infinite refund policy. Once you make an order inside of Teleport, you can at any time into the future go to your past completed orders, and there is a button right there that has no password on it, nothing special about it, that you just hit cancel refund and it will cancel the order and give you your money back. That is how it works. You don't have to talk to us at all. We don't require any in-betweens. It is a one-click refund policy. The reason we do this is because, number one, we track how many refunds there are. If somebody is having a ton of refunds, that means there's a problem on the account or that account is fraudulent, and we will keep an eye on that. But for other users, if there is an issue with an order, we want to make sure that we're held fully accountable. And an instant refund is an easy way of doing that tells us, oh, that's a 1-star review because they did a refund, there's a problem with it. And if there is that problem, we can go ahead and work to fix it. So it holds us totally accountable in a way that no one has ever done before. Now, is this gonna be expensive? Yeah, probably. We ship a lot of parts. We ship 100 to 1,000 parts a day right now through Teleport. But we need to make sure that all of the incentives are aligned inside of Teleport to make sure that we continue to do better and do a good job for our customers, the users who are selling stuff to their customers. Because if you are going to trust a service to produce the parts for you, you need to make sure that you are able to hold that service accountable other than just saying, and giving a 1-star review. That doesn't do anything. We could keep on doing bad work for people. But when you're literally able to take your money back from us at any time, that makes sure that we do an awesome job for you, not just today, not just tomorrow, but forever. Because 10 years from now, after you sold the item, got a 5-star review from it, and the person was happy, you could still hit the refund button and get your money back out of us. And that makes sure that we are earning your business every single day, forever. So will this hurt? Maybe it will. I don't know. Nobody's ever really done it before. But right now, if you have a problem with any order in Teleport at any time, forever, you can hit refund on your own and you will get the item refunded. That's kind of how we try to build most at Teleport. Have a great day, everybody.